So it turns out I just had to leave the bar and go this way and posh the world's softest truck. While this bloke rabbit's on, watch this. Look, didn't even touch it. Look how it flies. Incredible. Incredible moments. Nice. There's loads of them. Well, that was dead. I'm in trouble. These fellas are a bit tough. And there's stacks of them. Cheeky. Wow. Oh, look, it's creeping up. Terrifying. You got the distance ones, but you got the these ones that creep in from the side as well. Probably need to find a much better place to stand than right in the gateway into a light, which hindsight is a bit stupid. Jesus. Huh. I mean, do you think they're respawning or what? Three bullets. They're all over the shop. Suppose I could lob a grenade just for comic value. Oh, there's none there now, look. Oh, I just took my ammo out by accident. Back on it. Oh, he's not there. He is now. They're having a party in the Palm Hotel, aren't they? Shed loads of them. Let's just crouch. Very expensive on these. And just pick these little bastards off. He's buggered off now. Here he is. Alright, mate. Come on, I shot you in the head. Multiple times. There's a whole little ganther novel. I can hear it. I'm sure I can hear a grenade fizzing. Maybe not. There's a cheeky guy here. Look, he's definitely throwing a grenade. Leg it back. Oh my god, the grenade's gone that way. Ah, indeed. What did I jump on then? Sandbags. Out of ammo. These guys, honestly. There he is. He's skulking around the back of the truck. Out you come, you cheeky bastard. He's doing a little dance. Look, see his little legs going. Don't shoot him in the kneecap. Well, I can probably just hit in the fence. Let's try from here. That's, come on, there's kneecapped several times. It's taken me down. Still a party over there, having a great time. So there's no one over there. Oh. Christ, where did you spring from? Oh, bad time to run out of ammo. I mean, this isn't the most... Well, shit, never grenade. No, that would hurt from that distance. Where's the guy gone that was wandering along here with the grenade? Let's just gung-ho it in, shall we? Oh Christ, I'm not sprinting very fast, am I? Right, let's just reassess. There's no one behind me. No one to the side. Now we're cooking with gas. There's a whole shed load of them. Oh shit, there's one over there as well. I mean, it's fun. It is right, mate. 15 bullets. There's a party of them. Can I just not... why can't I put my gun down? Jesus. Oh my god, I'm trying to pick that one up. I'm trying to put my gun to my chest so I can grab this gun. Call it a gun, it's clearly a RPG. Oh, did that actually not hit any of them? Incredible. Right, come on. Sure, I'm gonna run out of ammo. Look at they're dwindling in
Well
numbers
done,
now.
Zulu Charlie 2.
Thanks.
We just prevented a genocide.
Did we?
Dahlia still needs to pay. But without her, thousands would have died
How do we
today.
get out of this pit?
I give her that.
Oh, we don't. End of mission.